Hello, hello. Hi, fans. Good afternoon, everyone. Baguio leaders and members, good afternoon. Cebu leaders and members, good afternoon. And also, all the VIPs in front at sa inyo pong lahat. Let me give you a background of myself. I'm the center head of Clark Imperial Center. I'm a former government employee. Baka po may kilala kayong mga nasa Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. I'm one of them before. I retired as a captain in terms of benefits and in 2019. Okay? So, in 2016, Atomy was introduced to me. I have no background in selling, and Atomy is not selling. Okay? Hindi po pagbebenta-benta. It's spreading awareness, it's sharing. Sinabi ko lang po sa mga office mates ko, and the rest is history. And in 2019, I retired. Okay? So let's talk about money. Do you like that? But can I request one thing before we talk money? Can you put your cell phones into silent modes? Ako po ay nakikiusap, heart-to-heart talk. You know why? Because communication is sending the message and it is supposed to be understood. I will be discussing something. Paglabas nyo po rito, kung hindi nyo naintindihan, mag-aaway kayo nung nag-invite sa inyo. Sabihin mo, wala naman palang kita sa Atom eh. Bakit? Hindi mo na-get. Sayang yung opportunity. Kung umuulan sa labas, imagine, nag-commute po yung iba, nagpunta rito, naligo, they prepared for this, and then later on, when you are in the seminar hall, you just text. Then later on, pag uwi, walang nagets. Sayang yung isang oras, yung 2 oras, 3 oras. Can I request, may I request everyone to please, wag naman patayin, silent, put them into silent mode. And lend me your ears for a few minutes. Okay? So let's get the ball rolling. Before I use the board, I usually use the board when I do the marketing plan, the compensation plan, because I believe beginners, first-time guests, easily understand how the process works. Paano gumagana yung system? I've used PowerPoint before, but based on my observation, kulang. That's why most of the time I use the whiteboard and how the points and how do you earn. But this will be worthless if you will be focusing on your phone. Huwag po kayo magagalit, Nagsasalita lang po ako ng galing sa puso. Okay? So let's remember some things. I'll give you some things to remember before we go on. Dire-diretso na po tayo nun. Okay? Okay? Sir? This is not the PowerPoint. Yung PowerPoint na sinend ko. I edited this para lang po madaling ma-recall because after flashing the PowerPoint, most of the time I'll be using the whiteboard na. And in doing so, I will try to answer the most frequently questions asked by members. Bakit ako hindi kumita? Kasi wala naman bumili sa ilalim mo. Bakit hanggang ngayon hindi ko makita yung points? Kasi consumer ka pa. Hindi pa nako-convert in the distributor yung account mo. Now, these are the things that I want you to remember, okay? Things to remember. Okay. When you're doing Atomy, tandaan po natin ito, we are creating a consumer union, sabi ni Therese. Yes. Creating your group of consumers on the left leg and the right leg. It's called binary. Malinaw po tayo doon. Tandaan nyo po another, wala po tayong registration. Whether you do it or not, you have no risk. Bakit? Wala kang babayaran. Walang mawawala sa'yo. Walang quota. Walang monthly maintenance. Things to remember, okay? Number 2, Infinite levels, unlimited accumulation. Kahit 1,000,000 yung i-register mo, walang problema. Unlimited. Here and in other countries, globally. Number 4, unlimited accumulation of points. Hindi ikaw ang bumili yung nasa baba mo, tambakan yung points. Until such time, nag-match sila, it resets to 0. Pero hanggat bumibili sila, hindi pa nagmamatch, sige lang, dagdag lang ng dagdag. Okay? Keep in mind, Global One marketing. So you can do the business in other countries, even if you're not there. Wala ka dun, pero meron kang nakitang member dun, parang nandun ka na rin. May group ka dun, without visiting that country. Income ceiling. Maybe you will be saddened about this, meron lang ceiling yung income. Kapag na-reach mo na yung 60,000 a day, hindi ka na pwedeng mag-80, mag-90, 1.5 million a day, may ceiling eh. Okay? Bigyan mo naman chance kumita yung company. This is the reason why other companies are not around now because they give everything. Di rin pala maganda yun, no? Kung bibigay mo lahat, kailangan magtira ka sa sarili mo. Nagiget niyo pa yung sinasabi ko? Pag umiibig ka, magtira ka sa sarili mo, huwag mong ibigay lahat. Saan tayo mapunta? Okay, next. It's either you become a consumer. Pag po consumer ka na nag-register, you can buy. No problem. But if you want to receive a commission, you need to change your membership from consumer to become a distributor or doing the business. You need the TIN. Okay? Another, yung nabanggit ko po kanina, bakit wala akong nakikitang points? If you are a consumer, you won't be able to see the group points below you. Kailangan distributor ka na, and then you will be earning, you will be receiving a commission. Please take note of that. Okay. There are 4 types of commission. General commission, yung araw-araw. Mastership commission, kapag sales masters were mentioned, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, may mga one-time commission po yun, may mga promotion. And then if you happen to establish a center ng opisina ng Atomy, 6% of that goes to the center head. That's center commission. Okay? Next. If you are earning, your commissions will be deposited to either BDO or PNB. You need to open a savings account. Okay? Wala pong cheque. Directly in your account. Every Tuesday or a mastership bonus, center commission, 7th and 22nd of the month. Now, maybe one last slide. All of the products, meron silang points. You need to remember this. 1 year po, pag wala kang binili na nadagdag sa account mo, your account will be deactivated. So, please take note. Kailangan 1 year may nadadagdag sa ID mo. Magandang advice, kapag birthday mo, bili ka ng product. Treat mo naman yung sarili mo. Ang tagal mong hindi nag-shampoo, mag-shampoo ka naman. Baka po ang ginagamit mo asin, mag-toothbrush ka na, mag-toothpaste ka naman ng Atomy. Dun sa birthday mo. Para madagdagan yung points mo, active na naman siya for 1 year. Okay? You can log in, if you are a member, log in on the website, makikita mo yung mga product may points. And points, when they match, are converted into commissions. Okay. So let's go. I will use now the whiteboard. So pwede na nating tanggalin na yung PowerPoint. I will now focus on the whiteboard. Okay. Let us say you registered today. Okay? So I'll be focusing on the general commission and then the mastership bonus. Let us say ito ka. You signed up as a member, either consumer or distributor. Okay? Consumer, may ID ka, you can buy. But for the meantime, hindi ka tatanggap muna ng commission. Remember? Yung sinabi ko po. But when you buy, points are given to you because you use your ID. Pag ginagamit mo po yung ID mo, nagkakaroon ng points. Sir, paano ko malaman yung mga member ko, nagkakaroon sila ng points? They will use their ID also. Alam ng system, yung partner mo nasa ilalim na meron siyang sariling ID. One on the left and one on the right. Take note, it is a must that you should have 10,000 points. Pag wala ka pong 10,000 points, na unang bumili, yung mga nasa baba, hindi mo ma-accumulate, hindi mo makikita. Kailangan may 10,000 points ka. Okay, question. Anong equivalent ng 10,000 points? Dalawang box ng small toothpaste, yung dalawang box po nito, tsaka isang toothbrush. That is equivalent to 970 pesos, equivalent to 10,000 points. Sir, ano naman gagawin ko sa mga toothpaste? Palagay mo anong gagawin mo sa toothpaste. Eh di mag-toothbrush ka. Eh sir, ang dami naman ng toothbrush, 8. Bakit? Di ba nasisira? Pag nasira, hindi ka na mag-toothbrush uli. Gamitin mo yung pangalawa, pangatlo, pangapat, sa isang taon. Bakit? Pag hindi mo binili ito, bibili ka rin ng toothbrush. Huwag mong bilhin ito, bibili ka ng ibang brand. You can't avoid brushing your teeth, right? But if you use other brand, you're just a consumer in that big company. No money back. But in Atomy, when you use this, you accumulate points, and then if points are matched, they are converted into commission, deposited to your ATM. Okay. Bumibili din sila. Okay, bumibili din sila here and abroad. May mga kaibigan ka sa Batangas, Cebu, Iloilo, La Union. May kilala ka sa Taiwan, sa Thailand, sa Malaysia, sa Australia, sa New Zealand. Nag-register din sila. Hanggang ilan, sir? Unlimited. Children, are you listening? Unlimited. Okay? Kahit ilan po sila. When they buy, nagkakaroon din sila ng points. Personal points nila yon. But, taken as a group, this is your personal PB. Personal mo yon. Personal PB din nila, ito, personal din nila. Pero, computed as a group, it now becomes group PB. Hindi isang tao, silang lahat. Kapag umabot ng 300,000, the left group, 300,000, the right group, nag-match ka na ngayon. The company will give you now, the equivalent of 10,000 points is 800 pesos deposited to your ATM. Nalugi ka? May binayaran ka nung nag-register ka, wala. Pero nabigyan ka ng 800. Huwag mong bilhin yung toothpaste ng Atomy, bibili ka rin ng ibang brand. Bibili ka rin ng ibang shampoo na chemical-based. Do you believe me? The worst is, hindi ka na magtututbrush. Problema mo yon. It's a matter of choice. That's your choice. But what I'm saying is, give others the chance to live. Bigyan mong iba chance na mabuhay. Bakit? Kasi pag nagsalita ka, baka mamatay sila. Joke lang po yun. Okay. When you continuously buy, by the way, when you receive your commission, magre-reset na po sa 0 yung group points. Nabayaran ka na dun eh. Pero yung personal points ng mga tao, hindi nawawala, nandyan pa rin. Example, 100,000 points, 100,000 points, 100. Kaya nga umabot na 300. Ang nag-reset sa 0 is the group points na nabayaran ka na, nag-reset na sa 0, pero yung points nila nandun pa rin. You see the system? Kikita nyo na po ba paano umaandar? Okay. When you continuously buy, your personal points will increase to 300,000. Continuously buy. Kapag meron na namang bumili sa mga partner mo sa baba, merong 300K, then you get more or less 2,400. Hindi ka na babalik sa 800. Bakit? Nag-increase na yung personal PB mo sa 300 na. So, hindi ka na makakatanggap ng 800. Doon ka na sa level ng 2,400. Maganda, hindi? Are you listening when we're talking of money? Well, you should. When money talks, you listen. Pinag-uusapan pera na walang investment. It is a platform. You use the platform in your favor. Okay? Next, if you continuously buy, your personal PB now will reach to 700,000. If there is 700,000 again, 700,000 group points, 700,000 group points, you will receive more or less 5,000 pesos. 800 plus 24, 32 plus 5,000, 82 by using Atomy products. Tanungin kita, yung toothpaste mo bago yung Atomy product, kilalang toothpaste, 40 years mo nang ginamit, 50 years mo nang ginamit, hindi lang ikaw, yung anak mo, pamangkin, si nanay, si tatay, silang lahat. Anong napala natin? May binigay ba yung company? Wala, because we are only consumers of that product. But in Atomy, there is money back. Okay? Sir, hindi ako kumita. User lang ako. Okay lang. Wala rin naman nawala sa'yo. Wala ka naman binayaran. Because the system, when you join Atomy, it's free. So anong risk mo? Anong wala sa'yo? Get it? Now, yung personal PV mo, continuously buy. Mag-i-increase ito ngayon into 1.5 million points. If there is 1.5 million points, 1.5 million points, the company will give you more or less 12,000 pesos. Bakit dadami siya? Kasi ito, look at the system. Pag nakagamit siya ng product, eto na yung left niya, gagawa rin siya ng group on the right. Lumalaki, lumalaki. Eto yung left niya, gagawa rin siya ng group sa right, group sa right, group sa right, group sa right. The group is growing. Do you see? Do you see where we are going to? Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the place? Okay? O, ayan na. Diyan tayo masarap eh. Di ba? Diyan tayo magaling. Okay. Naka-receive ka na ng 12, and this is the last. If you have 2.4 million points, that's the ceiling, yung pong personal points mo, okay? You need not to buy more, but it's your choice. Pwede pong marami yung bilhin mo. Pero, yung 2.4 is the maximum personal points. What will happen now is, yung mga product mo, product na binibili mo sa bahay, hindi mo na kailangan yung points, dagdag, ibigay mo sa mga tao sa baba para naman sila mag-commission din. How? Use their ID. Purchase the product in their account, pa-deliver mo yung product sa bahay mo, pero yung points bigay mo sa kanila. Kasama mo rin pa naman sila sa left and right eh. Question, before I forget. Sir, paano kung 300 ito? I'll just dealing with this, okay? 300 ito 290. That's the question I get most of the time. Hindi pa sila balance. 300 ito, okay? Ito, 290 pa lang. Magkukomisyon na ba ako? For the meantime, hindi. Why? Ang usapan natin, kailangan mag-match sila. When will that happen? You just wait for somebody to buy na madadagdag sa group points and then nag-match, you will get paid. Eh, paano sir kung 3 months na ako, hindi pa nagmamatch? Well, after 3 months, doon ka mag-commission. Eh, paano kung 1 year na ako, hindi pa nagmamatch? Eh, di after 1 year, doon ka mag-commission. Eh, paano 5 taon na, hindi pa nagmamatch? Eh, di after 5 years, doon ka merong commission. Ano magagawa natin? Hindi pa nagmamatch eh. There is a way. Make more consumers. Paramihin mo sila because you'll never know kailan bibili yung isa, kailan bibili bukas yung isa. Alam mo ba, bibili next week? Alam mo ba, bibili next month? But, kung marami sila, madali pong pumasok yung points, madaling mag-match yan. Get the point? We are only talking of the Philippine market. Pilipinas pa lang ang pinag-uusapan. Eh, may kilala ka pala sa Germany. May kaibigan ka sa UK. May kumpare ka sa Taiwan. May kaaway ka sa Thailand. Yung ex mo nasa Malaysia. Eh, merong Atomy doon. Kausapin mo. Parang wala naman kayo pinagsamahan. Maging consumer man lang siya, yun na lang ang bawi mo sa kanya. Okay. Here is the last ceiling. Okay, the question is, kulang. What if sobra? Sir, yung 290, naging biglang umabot ng 400. What will happen to the 100,000 na sobra? Sabi ng iba, mapa-flash out. Wait. Not yet. In this case, meron na po kayong commission kasi nag-match na. Right? Ang tawag po doon, general commission, yung pa-araw-araw. This could happen daily. Pwedeng maging araw-araw yung 800, pwedeng maging araw-araw yung 2,400. Every time na mag-match yan, palaging nabde-deposit yan. Pwedeng 2,400 ngayon, 5,000 bukas, 12,000 next week. Pwede po yun. General commission araw-araw. Now, in the event, example, June 1 to 15, eto na. June 1 to 15, nagtambakan yung points. Kasama po yung, di ba may sobrang 100,000? 300 lang yung nagmatch eh. Ang smaller leg ito eh. So may sumubrang 100. Kung within 15 days, umabot ito, increase natin, umabot ito ng 2.5. Umabot ito ng 2.5. Kasi nadadagdagan. Within 15 days, June 1 to 15, umabot ng 2.5 ito, umabot ng 2.5 ito. At this point in time, your personal PB is 700. Personal mo. Within 15 days, pumasok yung, nagtambakan yung points. Kasama po yung 100,000. Hindi pa siya natapon. Papasok pa siya sa 2.5, makakount pa rin siya. If that happens, may 700,000 PB ka, may 2.5 sa left, 2.5 sa right, you become a sales master. Pwede pong tumayo yung mga sales master. Pwede pong pakitayo. All the sales master, pakitayo po. These are the people. Thank you very much. These are the people who set a goal and then they reach their goal, group PB 2.5, then they were promoted as sales master. If you are a sales master, you will get, the company will give you these products. Okay. The company will give you 1 box of Emohim, 1 box of the Fame, and 1 box of Evening 4. Question, magkano naman yung kikitain ng sales master? Yung pong mga araw-araw na nagmamatch, okay? Mga araw-araw na nagmamatch, more or less, the company, you will be receiving a commission of 20,000, more or less. And then because you reach your goal, meron kang another, more or less, another 20,000. So in 15 days alone, the company will give you 40,000 within 15 days. Okay na ba yon? 40,000, 15 days. Here is what I am saying. Ano man po yung ginagawa mo, may trabaho ka, may business ka, may mga sideline ka, may online business ka rin, idagdag mo si Atomy. In my case, I served the government for 25 years and then I left na to do Atomy. So I'm receiving my pension now and I am hoping for another stable pension. Within 15 days, may 40 ka. Kung mangyari na naman within 15 days, may 80 ka na. Nag-get niyo po? 1 to 15, what if it happens 16 to 30 ng June? O di may another 40 ka na naman. You become now, if that continue within 1 year, 12 times, you become an auto sales master. Okay. Next. If there are 2 sales master, okay, if there are 2 sales master, lumalaki na yung group mo, merong 2 sales master sa left, may 2 sales master sa right. Like you, nag-set din sila ng goal and they were able to reach their goal, meron kang 2 sales master sa left, sales master sa right, the company will give you 1 box of Emohim, 1 box of the Fame, and then 1 Evening 4, plus 1 laptop computer. Parang malungkot po kayo. Baka sabihin nyo, sir, ano na naman gagawin ko sa laptop? Di ba nag-online ka? Gamitin mo. Kung ayaw mo yung laptop, mag-usap tayo mamaya, bigay ko yung number ko sa'yo. Text mo ako, sa akin na lang yung laptop. Okay. About commissions, kung ang sales master may 40, ang diamond master naglalaro na sa 80 within 15 days. So if there is another 15 days, another 80, that's 160. Okay, next. If there are 2 diamond master on your left, 2 diamond master on your right, you will be promoted to Sharon Rose master. Okay? The company will give you 80,000 pesos cash award. Then you get to travel to Jeju Island. 5 days for free. Parang malungkot po kayo pag naririnig nyo yung ganyan na amount. Okay. Next. Malungkot pala kayo ha. If you are promoted to Star Master, you will receive 400,000 pesos. And then there will be 4 travel tickets, 3 nights and 4 days. I think in the US. And that's for free. Okay, siguro naliliitan kayo sa 400,000 kasi mga pambayad lang ng bahay yan o ng sasakyan. Okay, let's go to Royal Master. A Royal Master, when there are 2 Star Master on the left, 2 Star Master on the right, the company will give you 2 million pesos, 4 travel tickets, 80,000 cash award or sponsorship activity fee, and then a car rental. Bigyan ka ng sasakyan, pero the company is paying for the rental. Ay sir, kulang pa rin yung 2 million. Maliit pa rin. No? Let's go to the Crown Master. If there are 2 Royal Master on the left, you were able to promote 2 Royal Master on the right, the company will give you 12 million pesos. 4 travel tickets, a luxury car worth 2.5 million, and 200,000 pesos is sponsorship activity. Okay na ba yon? 12 million? Di pa rin okay. Oh, this will be the last. Wala na pong idadagdagan nga pa nito na yung pinakahuli. Imperial Master. An Imperial Master receives 40 million pesos. Sir, binobola mo kami. Hindi naman totoo yan eh. Binubudol mo kami. Manood po kayo ng YouTube. Awarding of Imperial Masters. You can see them being awarded in Korea. Marami na pong Imperial. And they already received 40 million in Philippine peso. And then, commission as high as 60,000 pesos. Yung pong 60,000 na sinasabi ko, I'll go back lang na, go back. This will be the last. If there is 50 million here, 50 million, yung pong 50 million group points, pag ganun na po yung points na po mapasok, the equivalent commission of that is 60,000 pesos a day. It could happen a day. Okay? And then, there will be overseas travel for 4 nights, a full-size vehicle payment, bayad na po yung sasakyan ninyo, and meron pa siyang driver. Meron ka na sasakyan, may driver paid by the company, you will receive 400,000 sponsorship activity fee, and then you will have an office of your own. What company, when you retire, gives you 40 million pesos? Meron po bang alam kayong company, pag nag-retire kayo, bibigyan kayo ng 40 million as retirement? It's only Anatomy. Hindi kayo excited sa 40 million? Excited. You should be excited. Grand total, if we sum them all up, Sharon Rose Master, 80,000, Star Master po, 400,000, Royal Master, 2 million, Crown Master, 12 million, and Imperial Master is 40 million. Grand total is 54,480,000 cash promotion na binibigay ng company sa inyo. I know it's not easy. You have to build your consumer group. But at least you are waiting for something. Is it sure? Yes, it is sure. You have to start to build now. Kahit ano pong meron kang tindahan, kung walang bumibili, walang kita. Kahit po ang dami mong niregister, kaya nga yung iba nagtataka, Sir, ang dami kong niregister, ba't wala ba akong kita? Isa lang ang tanong ko, bumili ba sila? Hindi, wala ka talagang kita. Wala po akong binanggit na paramihan ng ire-register. Ang sabi ko, paramihan ng bumibili. Consumer. Kahit 2 tao lang yung niregister mo, grabing bumili, tig 1 million na points. May komisyon ka. 2 tao lang. Pero ang dami mong niregister, ni isa, nakipagkwentuhan lang sa'yo, sinayang yung oras mo, walang bumili, walang komisyon. Ang pinag-usapan po rito, points, hindi registration ng members. But if you were able to register many and then they are buying, that's good for you. Okay? How do we do it? Keep on attending the success system seminars. That's why sinasabi ko po kanina, before you leave this seminar hall, mag-attend ka ng palagi ng seminar, yung mga questions mo, nasasagot, and then you are growing. You can attend regional seminars, like in the screen. You can attend webinar of your group via Zoom. Walang paraan yung excuse dito eh. Sir, malayo ako. May webinar, kahit nasa bahay ka. Sir, wala akong pamasahe. Hindi ka naman namamasahe sa Zoom eh. Kiklik mo lang eh. Sir, wala ako, taga-Pasay ako. Eh, merong Success Academy sa SMX MOA, lakarin mo na lang. Sir, taga-Quezon City ako, libre po dito, punta ka lang. O, anong excuse mo? Ayaw mo lang talaga ang isang taong ayaw, ang daming dahilan. Pero ang taong gusto, maraming paraan. And in closing, I will leave you with this quote. This system is a made system. It's a platform. You are the CEO. Ikaw po ang may-ari ng platform. Ikaw ang nagmamanage niyan. Wala kang pwedeng pagbintangan. If that system fails, by your management, you have nobody to blame to. Bakit? Ikaw po yung nag-ooperate niyan eh. As a CEO, start now. Ikaw ang nagmamanage niyan eh. Start where you are. Kung ano lang meron ka, start it. Start making progress. Sir, mag-umpisa ngayon, i-inform ko yung mga kamag-anak ko, yung mga friends ko. I didn't mention selling. What I said, spreading awareness, sharing the goodness of Atomy and the system. They can also earn. Start making progress starting today. Start with what you have. Ano bang meron ka? Yes, wala kang gaanong pera, pero meron kang time. You can make time for yourself. Huwag mo sabihin sa akin, wala kang time. Ikaw ang pinakakawawang tao na nakilala ko. Wala kang time? Wawa ka naman, wala kang time. Wala kang time matulog, wala kang time magpahinga. Hindi ka pa bilyonaryo, wala ka ng time. Yung mga bilyonaryo po, wala silang time. Okay? Start with all your insecurities. Insecure ka sa katabi mo, sa mga katabing bahay mo. Pabayaan mo yun. Basta start mo si Atomy. Start with what you already know. Nag-attend ka first time in the pickup center. Start now what you have learned today. Start moving towards your goal. Ano bang goal mo? Anong income level ang gusto mo? 2,400 a day, 5,000. Start towards your goal. Start making mistakes. We are not perfect. Sometimes we commit mistakes. But the thing is, you stand up and go again, fight again another day. Start small. Start now. Just start. Thank you very much. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Shannon Rosemaster, Nigel Arellano, thank you very much and good afternoon.